Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can design hair oil Facebook ad in Photoshop. Let's get started. For hair oil ad, first I have this product image and I've also downloaded the image of the model from the Google as well. So we'll be using this image and our hair oil product. So by using these two images, we'll be designing our Facebook ad in Photoshop. I'm going to create a new file. This will be a landscape. Now let's remove the background of the image. I'm going to take a copy of this layer, go to select and click on subject. Now I'm going to create a mask. I'm going to apply the layer mask. Now I'll put this image in here. So this looks good. Now let's place our product in the image. This looks good as well. Now let's add the background of the image. I have this image, so I'm going to place it as a background. For that, I'm going to take a copy of this layer and place it here. And just click on OK and bring it back. Now I'm going to reduce the opacity of this one, so it is just barely visible. Now I'm thinking to flip it horizontal and then vertical as well. Yeah, this looks good now. Now I'm going to select the product. Now I'm going to add a drop shadow to this one. Just double click on the layer and click on drop shadow. Go to the properties. Yeah, this looks good. Just click on OK. I'm going to place it here. Now let's add the text. For this, I'm going to create a new layer and add the text. I'm going to change the color of this font to this one. First, let's select this. And once it is added here, I'm going to select the type tool and click on this. I'm going to do the same with the other one as well. And there you go. Now let's make some adjustment to the model as well. First, we are going to match the color of this model to the background. For that, I'm going to select the copy of this one and go to image, go to adjustments and then match color. I'll be using the source, the background. Yeah, this looks good. Now let's add the mask to this layer. Now let's make some edges smoother. You can add the seal or the contact info or the website of this product. And after finalizing your project, just click on File and Export and Save for Web. Now you can save this file. And now you can save this file. Just click on Save, and there you go. Now you have designed your hair oil ad in Photoshop. Now you can post it on Facebook and any other social media that you want. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.